Flat earthers make a lot of wacky claims about telescopes, like they're preloaded with imagery by NASA or some nonsense. So this is a telescope I got on Facebook Marketplace. It's for $40. It's the cheapest, crappiest reflector you can get, but it does work. They think that somehow they're implanting imagery through electronics. Well, there are no electronics in this. Through this telescope, it has a 2.5-inch mirror, so you don't see a ton of detail, but you can see the 4 biggest moons of Jupiter move at each night. And the eyepiece was actually so cheap that I replaced it with a microscope eyepiece that I had. So they wouldn't be expecting that, so they're not using the eyepiece to project images, I guess. But you have to move it manually. It barely aims. The sight doesn't even work, so I took it off. I just use these two to kind of line it up. Now, if they were somehow going to project images into your eye with a telescope, they would first have to know where the telescope was aiming. And that can be a thing. You would have to align it with 3 objects, like a star over here, moon over here. That's the only way they would know which direction the tube was pointing. So even if this telescope had any electronics in it, they wouldn't know which way it was pointing unless you first aligned it. It's just a mirror reflecting onto another mirror, and then going into an eyepiece. And the eyepiece isn't even the original one, it's a microscope eyepiece. So how is the government putting planets into our eyes?